Wow, there's a screen in the front. That's so cool. Hey guys, sorry I'm in your face, or you're in my face. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, okay, so sorry, I'm just checking out my new camera. I got the GoPro Hero 9. Not to flex that I got some new camera, but I'm just in awe because let me show you what I had before and why I'm in so much awe. This little thing. I'm looking at it side by side, and the GoPro Hero 9 is a slightly bigger, but I still love how compact it is. That's why I got it. I rather this over any kind of like bulky DSLR vlogging camera, because if I want to take anything around that's not so conspicuous and breezy, I prefer a tiny camera. I know there are cameras that are smaller than this, but I still want GoPro. Like, it's a brand I trust, and this has done wonders for me. And some of my videos for like my plan with me's, I actually used this. I prefer this little fella over my phone because, well, first of all, I don't want to take up space on my phone. And then second of all, it's just so small. I've gone to Disney with this. Like, it's just so tiny. I like it. But I needed an upgrade, and the reason why I'm just still at all with this upgrade is because there's a screen. I can see myself. So I like how the GoPro Hero 9 has a little viewfinder, which this does not. So I was relying on this screen and hoping that I'm in the shot with moving like this, you know. This is how I was like, hey guys, you know, that's how I was vlogging with this. Luckily the widescreen angle, you're less likely to miss yourself because it's widescreen, but still I just like that I can see myself, so I could be centered, or you know, like, it's just so cool. But yeah, I have a new camera. I'll put you down. Yeah, I have a new camera. What else is going on in life? Well, it is March now. I am working on the March freebies. So this is what I've been working on. I have this cute little freebie over here. This is a die cut. It goes with every order this month. And then I did another boba sampler. At first I wasn't like thinking of doing one every month. It just started in January, and the reason why I did one for February is because I'm like, okay, I can't think of another tiered freebie, so let me just do boba again. And now I'm making it a thing. So I guess every month you're gonna see a different sampler. It'd be really cool though if there's someone out there who purchased from my shop and got this sampler every month, and now you have like a collection of all my samplers. That'd be really cool. Been working on that. I have a lot of other things in store. I am also participating in something really big, and I've been wanting to do this for a long time now. Like, even before I opened up my shop, I've heard of this thing, and now I'm being very, very vague because I can't say what it is. But when I found out that I got in, I'm like, oh my gosh, wow, like, this is a big deal. What else? Another life update with blushing boba. Oh, I got featured in Office Depot's newsletter, like one of their newsletters, and it's not like they even sent it to me personally. So what it was, I already follow Office Depot. I get their emails all the time because I'm a rewards member. I actually got my banner done by Office Depot. I posted it once on Instagram, and they reached out to me saying like, hey, like, can we use that video, that little clip for our promotions and stuff? I'm like, yeah, sure. Like, didn't think anything of it, but I did not expect to see myself in an email. So when I opened up my Office Depot newsletter, like I normally do, just checking emails, I saw my Instagram handle, and I had to do a double take because I was like, wait, whoa, that's me. So it was really cool to be featured, and thank you, Office Depot, because I look at that as a cool, like, free marketing. And this is from a brand, a company that I know and trust. I mean, like I said, I got my banner done there, so it's really, really cool. Oh yeah, that's the life update. And I think there's more I could talk about, but I'm gonna cap it here because I could get back to work. Okay, now, bye. Let me grab you. You were sitting over here, by the way. This camera is so cool. Hey guys, I felt like vlogging this moment today because my office is a hot mess. Why do I want to show you this mess? Because part of my vlog series is to kind of show you in on what I do in the shop, and it's just not realistic if it's always nice and clean, right? I get work done, and this is why everything is a mess, as you see. So here is a sneak peek of all the new products that are coming into the shop soon. Actually, I don't even know when this video will release, so if it's already out, well then, not a sneak peek, but a show and tell. But yeah, I'm excited, especially with this. I made my very own kit. And it may not be a big deal to most, but being a planner girl for so long, I did utilize a lot of printables. Shout out to Land Studio. Like, I used her printables like the most in a lot of my planner spreads. So I found it very daunting to make kits because there's just a lot of elements in a sticker kit. So I played around with my program and made this cutie right here, and I feel a little emotional right now just because I can't believe I made that. Like, it's one thing to make stickers and stuff, and then making a kit that I think is just so adorable. Like, it even has little like dots and little headers, like header boxes. So yeah, it's very amateur for sure, but at least I made a kit, and now that means I could experiment and do more. And I didn't watch any videos on how to do this. I just played around with it from what I already taught myself in how I used the Silhouette Studio program. So when I was playing around, I was like, wait, let me do this. So I did that, and this happened. I'm excited. So now I feel a little more confident to make more. I'm gonna probably do more small kits. We'll see how that goes, and if I like how it turns out, maybe I'll do bigger kits. The beauty of smaller kits is that it forces you to shop your stash, and that basically means utilizing the stickers you already have, because sometimes when you buy bundles of a sticker kit, they just come in with so many different stickers, so you have a lot left over. And the beauty of the printables I used from Land Studio is that Laura put together all these amazing kits, like all these amazing stickers in one kit, but then it's like, okay, well, I'm not going to use all of it. So I liked that I was able to utilize 2 or 3 different kits to make another different spread. So with a smaller kit, it forces you to use what you already have. And I'm pretty sure with this, it's an easy color scheme to find. There's a lot of pinks and mauves, some mochas in here too. So those are colors that you could find in other kits that you may have. And if not, then get creative. I don't know what else to tell you, but I'm just excited that I made a kit. It's funny because I was going to film, but I think you guys might be able to hear the yard work that's going outside right now. So abort mission. We'll try this again another time.